He doesn't realize that Sir Topham Hatt depends on me. Thomas whistled impatiently. He wanted to leave, but he had to wait for Henry to pass him. You need exercise. Thomas stopped secretly for I've lost my last conductor. I've lost my last conductor, she sobbed. Henry tried to tell Thomas what had happened. We have the conductor. We have the conductor. But he was hurrying and wouldn't listen. Henry and Farrell tried to put on the brakes, but they couldn't without the conductor. Where is our conductor? Where is our conductor? Thomas didn't stop and the trains were sick. So tired. What's the matter? I don't know, said the driver. The conductor will tell us. They waited and waited. The conductor didn't come. Where's the conductor? Whistled Thomas. People can be very somebody about to go. Everyone went. And then he was running as fast as he could along the road with his flags in both hands, whistling loud. He was very hot, so he had to help him. I told him that Thomas was not really hot. I'm very sorry, said Thomas. Still, you're having a baby. The sun is down. We can try. Let's make up the walk. Thomas? Yes, I am. Why? Because I'm going there too. I've been second up. Help me look up this down. No, not up there. Down here, laughed Thomas. How can something be up? Who's down? Thomas was too excited to explain. My God, look over there. Mavis, Opal, Bill, Bailey, Donald, Oliver, A.W., Ray, very splendid indeed, my opinion. Which was all together at the station. Yes, Mr. Howard. Sir Topham Hatt has a plan, answered the driver. Come on. So he found the number 2 to the big station of called Sir Topham Hatt. I have an important letter to read from a little girl who is 5 years old. Please, can I meet you? My friends say they would like to meet you too. You could come to my house for tea, but my mother says there aren't any railroad. Can you come to the station instead? Thank you very much. It seems, continued Sir Topham Hatt, that there are many girls and boys who would like to meet you. Therefore, we are all going to the big city far away. Hooray! Hooray! Other engines will be working here while you are away, so please show them what to do. Amy and Carabelle are going to the big city too. Thomas and Oliver with some other folks. Thomas grew more and more excited. quiet engine because Sir Topham Hatt was really useful. He stopped an inch from the buffer. Then Thomas made his mistake. Just like this, he told me. They telephoned to Sir Topham Hatt. "I'll send up the workmen," he said. "But if they can't mend Thomas in time, we'll have to go to the big city without him." Poor Thomas. 8 o'clock next morning, the engines waited at the junction. Toby and Percy reached in a truck and brought the station into place behind Edward. Gordon, James, and Henry were waiting to lead off. They whistled impatiently. Sir Topham Hatt looked at his watch. "I'll wait one more minute for Thomas, then we have to go." "Oh, thank goodness you're still here," said Thomas. "I hope you're not ready. That's a check after 8. The conductor blew his whistle and waved his flag. The engines cheered. "Look out, big city, here we come!" And the cavalcade puffed away. All the engines were lined up in a splendid shed. The children were delighted to meet their friend. "I'm glad the little girl wrote to us," whispered Thomas to Percy. "Isn't it wonderful what happiness a letter can bring?" Thomas the Tank Engine loved his master.